Finally, let's take a look at an application of inverses. It says Carter sells paper supplies and makes a base salary of $2,200 each month. He also earns 5% commission on his total sales. His total earnings, f of x, for a month in which he compiled x dollars in total sales is given by this function, f of x equals 2,200 plus 0.05x. Notice, our base salary is 2,200, and he makes 5% off every sale he makes. So I'm going to write the inverse of this one. So first we're going to do, instead of writing f of x, I'm going to write y. So y equals 2,200 plus 0.05x. Let's flip the x's and y's around. So we get x equals 2,200 plus 0.05y. Now let's minus 2,200 from both sides because you want to get y by itself. Notice on the left-hand side, there's nothing to combine because they're not like terms. So you get x minus 2,200 equals 0.05y. Then I'll divide every term by 0.05. Divide the whole side, but I'm going to write it as, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.05. Now let's actually do this. 1 divided by 0.05. There we go. We're going to get 20. So 20x minus, let's take 2,200 divided by 0.05. Is 44,000. Equals y. So we'll write that as f inverse x equals 20x minus 44,000. So what does f inverse represent in the context of this question? Well, f inverse is our x. So f inverse is his total sales. So it would be Carter, and Carter could be a guy or a girl. It's Carter's total sales. Well, it says he on here, but Carter's total sales for the month. So on this question, it says find Carter's total sales for last month if his earnings were $3,450. In other words, x is $3,450. So we're going to say f inverse of x. I'm going to rewrite the problem here. 20x minus 44,000. Well, in this context, x is his earnings. So we're going to say 20 times 3,450. We're going to subtract 44,000 from that. Well, let's use your calculator. Let's take 20 times 3,450. We get 69,000. So in other words, it's 69,000 minus 44,000. And 69,000 minus 44,000 is 25,000. That would be his total sales last month if he made $3,450 for his paycheck. So it's just applying our inverses to a novel situation.